So hello and welcome to the channel, and today I want to show you how to remove or replace the navigation multimedia Ford KUGA 2020 or 2021 and onwards till 2023, I believe, where it was facelift. So basically what you want to start, there is a cover on the back, so this one, and as you can see I did already start because it's quite easier with two hands than one hand, but let me show you what you need to do, how to start. So basically what you want to do is use a little screwdriver or some plastic tool, and you need to click up over here. So once you click there, you will use another plastic tool, something like this or this, depends what you have, and you want to start by clicking it somewhere around here. I will show you. So, and you need to pull up. You might need a stronger one because this one it's quite strong. So you can see over here you have these two, so basically over here and over here, and this one is just some smaller touch up. So let me show you over here where approximately you need to pull your plastic tool, because this is kind of the hardest part of this. And after that you have these three screws, 7 I believe those are. So let me just check out. Yeah, this one is 7. Yeah, so you unscrew those. I will take them out and then I'll show you what you have to do rest after that. So 3 screws, 7. So these are quite long, as you can see. Not sure why they're so long, but once you take all 3 out, the display piece goes like a little bit up, and then you can take it around here, and you can see now this is the tricky part, and you don't want to break this. You want to be extra careful with this one, because once you break this connector over here, it's probably game over for the display. So what you want to do, you want to be extra careful with this, and then just click that and pull it up, but as I said, extra careful. So taking out that pin, there is from other side, as you can see over here. So you need to click that in and then pull gently out. So click in and pull out. I'm gonna do this with 2 hands because I don't want to break anything. So gently click in and gently pull out the connector, and don't lose this little piece. Pull it back because you don't want to lose that. So that's the piece for the center screen. Let's put it over here. Now we have these 1, 2. Now depends what you need. If you need just to replace the display, that's all you have to do. If not, then you're gonna take these out, and then this should be quite loose now. So it's just a matter of taking all of this out, and again you need the plastic tools because you don't want to damage the airbags in any kind of way. And these are quite strong, as you can see over here. There is one, maybe like this. really strong. But this one don't wanna go off. Yeah, so finally. Now let's see. We have this one clip, two clips, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and another one, 8 over here, and only this one click over here. So a lot of clips, but yeah, it's kinda long as well. So that's the control unit without the touch screen. And now we have another one, 7, 7. And this one, you need to take all this out if you wanna take out the speed, I mean the clock or the meter, virtual cockpit or something like that. So because of this one screw, you need to take that all out. That's a little bit of job, but yeah. So now 7, another 7 over here, and you don't want to make that mistake, to be honest, because that could be a costly one. If you lose that inside and you cannot reach it, you will have that rattle noise when you're driving car. So this one piece out, and now that one is down there, so we need to take this out as well. As you can see over here, that's 1 7, another 7, so these two to take the climate control as well with everything, because if you want to come to that box down there, that's something you need to do. So let me unscrew these, and then so taking out these two, now comes the tricky part. You can do it as I do it. You just find where you want to place your plastic tool and pull it down, or you can go other ways, like gently doing it gently, but it's not something that I kind of do it. Basically just pull down like this go out fully. It's with all of those pieces down here. I'm not really sure if there is some bolts, but I think not. So a little bit of other tools. Click over here, there is one over here, and there should be another somewhere around here that you click out. I don't think there is any screws, not 100% sure myself right now. So there is one over here. You need to pull this plastic cover out. As you can see here, there is that one clip and another clip, and then unscrew that 7 inside there. So that one, I don't know why they're so long, but yeah, as you can see now it's a bit looser. And now let's check out if there is some other bolts, but I don't think so. Let's just take all of these covers a little bit out, and this center a little up, because it seems like it's holding it somewhere down there. I'm gonna have a little bit more room, so to just unplug a little bit this piece, we have this over here. I'm gonna take that cover out, and it's a 7. So 7 on this side, 7 on the other side, and then just we're gonna little bit pull out, not gonna remove fully. So let's do that. So moving it a little bit out, it was not 7, it was 8, but here we have this 7 on this side and on this side. So I'm gonna take that phone charger piece, so yeah, 7 here, 7 on the other side. So removing these two bolts, it should be just pull up and move it to the side, or you can disconnect all the plugs. And now let's see what we have down there. Yeah, there's some screws. So this one probably, so 3, 4, or just, no, I believe, yeah, 4 of the 7s. Oh, this will be different than focus. So let's unscrew those. That's just, yeah, just crazy. So pulling this down, as you can see, there is a little bit of electricity, and 4 bolts over here, two here, 2 there, some jacks. So taking these few connectors for wiring, so 2 of these are antenna, and some power here, and then 4 screws to take that out. It's to be honest not really a great job, so if you don't want to do it yourself, I would rather say keep that for someone else, give it to a mechanic or something, because there is a lots of things that you can break, and those things that you can break are not really that cheap. So yeah, let me take those out and I will pull it. It's just, I believe, just pull like this out, and yeah. So this is a lot of work to do on your own. So if you're not really to the task, yeah, I would say leave that to a professional or some mechanic or somebody that has some experience in this one. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share, and see you in next one. So till next one, see ya.